Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2008 Mazda 6. Stock number is 18F174A. Starting right away up front. And then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. We're going to take a look inside at the cloth interior. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have dual point exhaust on the back. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. You have audio and cruise controls mounted here. Full stereo, that includes your CD player. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Mazda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.